Welcome to AlgoBars. We're here to provide traders, brokers, and prop firms the absolute best platform on the planet when it comes to order execution, trade automation, market analysis, and everything else you can possibly imagine when it comes to your trading. We're the all-in-one platform, which means you'll be able to build your entire trading flow or trading business without having to pay for other tools like CRM, trade automation, social trading, copy trading, trade journals, and a lot more. And the best part is, we're completely white label, so you can brand AlgoBars with your own company colors, logo, URL, and then offer it as a platform to your clients. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to build a full trading platform campaign start to finish, starting with a quick tour of your account. Before we get started, we understand that there's always a learning curve when it comes to new software, but don't worry, we have a support team ready to help you with anything you need 24/7. When it comes to getting used to your AlgoBars account, the first thing you need to recognize is that there's two levels to your account. The trading platform level with auto trading and CRM, and the second level for AlgoSocial and copy trading. Your trading account level is where you can use all of the platform features and settings. When you log into your AlgoBars account, you'll be taken directly to the main page, where you can use many features and functions like sub-millisecond charting, order execution, trade automation, AlgoBuilder, indicator builder, automated strategies, and so much more. Let's go to the AlgoBars chat and type in what we want. Here, we can type in anything from market analysis to trade automation, or building the most complex algorithmic trading bot in seconds. What used to cost hundreds of thousands of dollars and months and years of testing can now be done instantly on AlgoBars. So here I'll type in a very advanced strategy, press enter, and then the AlgoBuilder will automatically create that strategy, code it with all the parameters, and deploy it to the markets live. You can connect your AlgoBars broker account and launch it instantly. Anything you can possibly imagine can be done on AlgoBars. So it really comes down to how good you can communicate with your trading platform to get the best results. Now let's switch to AlgoSocial from the button on the left side. When you switch to AlgoSocial, you'll land on the main dashboard page where you can see an overview of trending strategies, traders, copy trading, custom indicators, and anything else they offer. You can select in copy traders or get access to their automated trading bots and systems. If you look to the profile section at the top, you'll see the menu items relate to your AlgoSocial account, where you can offer PAMM and MAMM style copy trading functions to your clients. Here you can configure many options, including what you want your clients to see in the copy trading account, your fees, lockup periods, and so much more. AlgoBars comes with a complete CRM solution with reporting, KYC, accounts management, client management, and everything you would need to run your brokerage or prop firm. If at any time you need assistance, you can contact our support team 24/7 by phone or email. If you want to get started with AlgoBars, you can access the link here to schedule a done-for-you setup call where you can have our team jumpstart your AlgoBars platform. Within 24 hours, you can have AlgoBars branded to your company logo and connected to your site.